Hello, Nick.
Hello, Mark.
Hi, Nick. How are you?
I'm okay.
Very good. Nick, what day is it today, Nick?
Today is Monday.
It's Monday. Very good. Now, Nick, let me see. Let me check something, okay?
Okay.
Ah, last Friday. I did not see you last Friday, right?
Yes.
And what was Friday, Nick? Friday was
Christmas.
Christmas. Nick, Did you get what did you do last Christmas Day? What did you do, Nick?
Mm, I tell stories.
Oh, you told stories. Okay, Nick, can you tell me where did you tell stories at? Did you tell stories in school?
No, I tell stories at uh home.
At home, Nick. How come you did not tell me? I would have loved to listen to your story.
Mm,
Can you, Nick, did you tell the stories in English or in Chinese?
Chinese.
Chinese. Can you can you tell the same story in English?
Maybe.
Can
Uh,
you can you try? Maybe just
yeah.
maybe just a little part. Tell me this. Tell me about your story, Nick. Come on, just a tiny part. I want to hear you tell me a story. Come
Mm, um, mm, Um, long ago, there was old man.
okay.
No, there was boy, and this boy, this boy, he, uh, he, he have
He had
he had a magic magic pen.